Okay, so guys, so you know how I haven't uploaded in 6 days? I was gonna upload a video probably tomorrow, called discovering what type of flour is from BFDI. Except let's just say that didn't end up turning out well, because now I'm beta testing a game that Alan made on Roblox. But Alan's not allowed. But I'm not allowed to say the game yet. But if you somehow do find out his account out on Roblox, and check his creations and find the game and say it sucked, I will come to your house and eat. Okay, I'm joking. But seriously, the game's still in testing. We don't even have anything. I'm just telling you, when the game's ready, it'll have its first letter will be S. I'm just saying there are a lot of words that begin with S. Like, okay, you know what? Forget. Okay, but seriously, my non-upload streak will grow more than 6. It'll grow probably to like maybe a month. Since I'm gonna be testing into the whole thing now, so yeah. Bye. See you in another few months. Oh, I'm just kidding. Probably like a month, but yeah. Or maybe in a few days if I have free time. But most likely no. Bye.